So what about ASMR? Kind of like, because people think this is ASMR. Hold on, wait.
What is that?
Oh, it's my cat. It's purring. Can you hear?
Ah.
I'm kidding. It's me purring.
Brr, brr.
Ooh, I like that. Whoa, I love that.
I just said PRRR. Brr, brr.
See. Okay, Hiroshi, I'm gonna tell you right now.
Mhm.
If you even made like a 2-minute like ASMR clip for like even Twitter or whatever of you just doing that, people would freak out.
What? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let me add my
That's-
ears. I have kid ears too. Like.
That your purrs are very desired for ASMR.
Brr.
Yes. Yes. Oh no, I'm telling
Why?
you.
Why?
So I can't purr like that, right? My purrs are like, but yours have that distinct sound. The okay, do it one more time, and I'll try to describe it.
Okay.
It has that like that first like pop kind of a sound of air, and that's the vibration sound that people really like to hear on their ears, like when they blast ASMR.
Okay. Well, let me be honest. You know, this is basically just the Italian R.
No. I know. I can't roll my R's though. when I do this, that's just me breathing in air. I'm not doing anything with my tongue. Like that's not me rolling my R's. That's
Let me
like
listen again.
cheating.
Let me listen again.
The yeah, that's
Nah.
me breathing though.
That's
I'm not
hard.
even using my
That's
tongue.
hard.
That's hard. You know what's hard? Rolling
It's
your
very hard.
R's. I can't do that. I can't roll my R's. I can't do that. I can't roll my R's. I can't do that.
Okay. I will stay with my Italian. But
Oh my God.
I think I'm more the angry kitty. Yeah.